How to fix HP laptop stock on boot device not found. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will exactly show you on how you can fix this problem. Now, you want to go ahead and open up your laptop right here. And right after that, you can then go ahead and see the HP logo open up like this one. Now, right after navigating through this menu, you simply want to hit these buttons to navigate through the BIOS of our HP laptop. It should go ahead and be F10, F11, or F9 depending on your specific brand or specific model. You could just go ahead and press one of those buttons and you will then be taken to the computer BIOS right here. Basically, inside this BIOS, we can go ahead and edit advanced settings, reset the BIOS settings to the default settings, or even edit the boot menu. Now from here, the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and reset everything to default settings. You can just go ahead and find the settings by navigating through the BIOS menu right here. Now, if that doesn't work, you can just navigate through the boot device options. As you can see, as an example, we have this image right here. If you want to navigate through the boot device options, you simply want to press F9. If you cannot go ahead and find this option, you simply want to navigate through the advanced options first, and from there you can then go ahead and find the boot device options. From there, you can just go ahead and choose the proper boot device and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.